Hello and welcome to this video on Explorer for ArcGIS. In this video, you'll learn how to replace the scribbles and notes on your paper maps with digital markup using Explorer. Transform your field experience by creating and sharing annotations with other users while on the go. Markup is similar to drawing on a paper map, but it won't get damaged by coffee stains or wear out over time. Let's say you want to make a note on your map that you've moved an asset to a temporary location. First, enter markup mode. Then, long press on the location of your asset to drop a marker on the map. You can pull out an arrow, and even create a label to add more details. You can also draw shapes on the map to quickly make note of areas that may need resurfacing or reinspection, for instance. And you don't have to be an artist, as Explorer will auto-create shape suggestions based on your free-form polygons. When your markups are complete, select Done. Don't worry, you can go back and edit your markup at any time. You can also create separate markup layers on Explorer. This allows you to create multiple layers of annotations so that you can differentiate between markup you create to share with others and those for your personal reference. Once you have all the markup you need, you can share it, which can be a useful tool for communicating not only with your team in the field, but also the back office in your organization. Markup can be shared in two ways, as a screenshot or as a markup item. Sharing your markup as a screenshot will simply capture what you see on your screen. It's a quick peer-to-peer sharing method to communicate directly with other field workers. You can also share your markup as a markup item. A markup item will capture markup layers, including the shapes, symbols, labels, and any additional notes for each feature. You can share markup items with other field workers so they can interact with your annotations directly on their own devices. You can also share markup items with your organization to communicate with back-office stakeholders. Creating and sharing markup in Explorer is an easy way to validate, verify, and take notes about your GIS data in the field. Using Explorer and its markup tool, you can replace your paper-based maps with a single, reliable solution. Leverage this on-the-go markup tool to transform your productivity the next time you're in the field. Thank you for watching.